Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Now that you've mastered the classic recipe, we're going to take it up a notch with some fun, creative variations. Let's mix things up and bake something exciting. Baking, testing, and cooling. Even the best batter can fall flat if you rush the baking or ignore the cooling step. Here's how to get that golden crust and soft middle every time. Bake until golden and set. Standard banana bread bakes for 50 to 65 minutes. If your loaf is loaded with extra fruit, nuts, or chocolate, it may take a little longer. Keep a close eye near the end. Banana bread can go from perfect to dry fast. Test doneness the smart way. Insert a toothpick or thin skewer into the center. It should come out mostly clean, with just a crumb or two but no wet batter. Make sure to test near the middle, not at the edge. Cool in the pan for 10 to 15 minutes. Set the pan on a wire rack as soon as it comes out of the oven. This rest time lets the bread finish setting without soggy sides. Finish cooling out of the pan. Run a butter knife around the edges to loosen the loaf, then lift it out using the parchment or turn it out onto the rack. Let it cool completely before slicing. Cutting while hot can leave you with a gummy texture and crumbly mess. Let flavors develop. Banana bread often tastes even better the next day. Store it wrapped on the counter, and the moisture spreads out, making each slice even softer. Getting the prep, mix, bake, and cool steps right is what separates forgettable banana bread from the kind everyone remembers. With these tips, every loaf will come out just right. No guesswork needed. Variations and special diet adaptations. Banana bread is already forgiving, but it also invites all kinds of tweaks and swaps. Whether you need to skip eggs, avoid gluten, or simply want a fresh spin, you can make banana bread work for nearly any table or craving. With a few simple swaps, anyone can have a delicious loaf to call their own. Vegan and gluten-free banana bread. You don't have to miss out on banana bread if you're vegan or avoiding gluten. Simple swaps keep the flavor without the ingredients you want to skip. Vegan swaps. Eggs. Use flax eggs, 1 tablespoon ground flaxseed plus 2.5 tablespoons water per egg. Let sit for 5 minutes. You can also use mashed banana or unsweetened applesauce for extra moisture. Dairy milk. Use any plant-based milk like almond, soy, or oat. Butter. Try melted coconut oil, vegan butter, or a neutral oil like canola. Honey. Replace with maple syrup, agave, or simple sugar. These swaps make your loaf fully plant-based while keeping a soft crumb and rich taste. The natural sweetness from ripe bananas does most of the work, so you won't miss the eggs or dairy. Gluten-free swaps. Flour. Use a 1-to-1 gluten-free baking blend for the most reliable results. Blends that include xanthan gum or guar gum help the bread hold together. Oat flour. Certified gluten-free oat flour is another good option. It adds a hearty texture. Almond flour. Add almond flour for extra richness, but pair it with a gluten-free blend to keep the loaf from crumbling. Check mix-ins. Make sure your baking powder, chocolate chips, and other add-ins are labeled gluten-free. These changes give you a slice that's just as moist and flavorful as the original. No crumbly disappointments. Flavor twists and international takes. Banana bread is a blank canvas for flavors, and every region offers something new. If you want to go beyond classic, try one of these ideas for a totally different loaf. Popular flavor twists. Spiced banana bread. Add ground cinnamon, nutmeg, ginger, or cardamom for warm, bakery-style flavor. A teaspoon of chai spice takes it even further. Chocolate swirl. Swirl in cocoa powder or chocolate spread for a marbled effect. Coconut banana bread. Stir in shredded coconut and top with toasted coconut flakes for a tropical spin. Nutty upgrades. Try hazelnuts, macadamias, or pistachios instead of walnuts for subtle changes in texture and taste. Zesty lift. Add lemon or orange zest to the batter for a bright, fresh finish. International takes. Jamaican banana bread. Boost with allspice, nutmeg, and a splash of dark rum. Some versions add chopped pineapple or coconut. Filipino-inspired. Add mashed ripe plantains, Saba bananas, and a sprinkle of cheese on top for a sweet savory treat. Brazilian flavor. Blend in passion fruit or guava paste for a fruity twist. Indian style. Warm it up with chai spices, chopped dates, or even fennel seeds. Japanese mochi banana bread. Mix in sweet rice flour, mochiko, for a chewy, gluten-free texture. Mix and match these ideas to keep banana bread exciting all year. With a little creativity, a simple loaf can taste completely new. Storage, shelf life, and serving suggestions. Banana bread is easy to make, but keeping it fresh and serving it in new ways can help you love those leftovers even more. From storage tips to breakfast ideas, this section is packed with ways to enjoy your loaf longer and make it feel special every time. How to store banana bread for maximum freshness. Banana bread stays moist, but air and time can make it dry or stale. Keeping your loaf fresh means knowing where to store it and how to wrap it. Let banana bread cool completely before storing. Warm bread can trap steam, making it soggy. Once cool, wrap your whole loaf tightly in plastic wrap or aluminum foil. This helps keep out air and seals in moisture. Place the wrapped loaf in an airtight container or a resealable bag. Extra protection means less chance for your bread to dry out. Room temperature. Store on the counter for up to 4 days. Make sure it's out of direct sunlight and heat. Fridge. If your kitchen is warm or humid, keep banana bread in the fridge. It stays good for about a week. Always warm a slice in the microwave or let it come to room temp before eating for the best texture. Freezer. Banana bread freezes well. To freeze. Cool the loaf completely. Wrap tightly in 2 layers of plastic wrap. Place in a freezer-safe bag or container. Mark the date on the package. Banana bread stays fresh in the freezer for up to 3 months. To thaw, let it sit at room temperature for a few hours or overnight in the fridge. For a quick treat, microwave individual slices for about 20 seconds. Making banana bread last. Shelf life tips. Banana bread's shelf life depends on how you store it and the climate in your kitchen. Here's what to expect. On the counter. 3 to 4 days. In the fridge. 5 to 7 days. In the freezer. 2 to 3 months. If you notice any mold, off smells, or the bread feels sticky, throw it out. Always go with your senses. Wrapping slices individually before freezing makes it easy to grab just what you need. Serving ideas. Breakfast, snacks, and dessert. Banana bread works any time of day and can pair with lots of toppings and sides. Here are ideas to make every slice exciting. For breakfast, toast slices and spread with butter or cream cheese. Add sliced bananas and a sprinkle of cinnamon for a double banana hit. Make banana bread French toast. Dip thick slices in egg and milk, then fry until golden. For snacks, spread with peanut butter or almond butter. Stack slices with Greek yogurt and berries for a quick parfait. Top with a drizzle of honey, maple syrup, or Nutella for extra sweetness. For dessert, warm up a slice and serve with a scoop of vanilla ice cream. Layer cubes of banana bread into a trifle with pudding and whipped cream. Grill slices lightly and serve with caramel sauce or chocolate drizzle. Party platters or gifts. Cut banana bread into small cubes. Skewer with fruit for fun snack bites. Wrap mini loaves or slices as thoughtful homemade gifts. Banana bread is more than a loaf on the counter. With the right storage and a few creative ideas, it's a treat that can work for any meal, snack, or special moment. Banana bread brings comfort and creativity together in one simple recipe. With ripe bananas, a handful of pantry staples, and a few mixing tips, anyone can bake a loaf that's moist and full of flavor. Whether you stick to the classic or try new add-ins, banana bread is easy to make your own. Don't be afraid to swap ingredients or experiment with flavors. Each batch is a chance to learn what you like best. Give the recipe a try and share your own twists with friends or family. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.